There are so many different ways to eat eggplants than in a bharta, sabzi or as a pakoda. And so, Spice Fry is back yet again to show you a different way. Presenting Baba Ganoush, a Levantine dish made out of eggplants, or as we fondly call it, bengan. Let's start with the main ingredient, 2 medium-sized eggplants. What you need to do then is create slits along the vegetable, as you can see in the video. This is going to help us in the cooking process. Now, take your eggplants and microwave them for about 4 minutes on medium heat. Take them out when the skin slightly changes color and gets all wrinkled up, as you can see in the video. Remember those slits we made in the eggplants? It's now time to insert garlic cloves in them to enhance the flavor. 4 to 6 cloves per eggplant should do the trick. The next step is to cook the eggplants on an open flame. If you have a mesh, use it. If not, you can do it directly over the flame. What this step does is cooks the eggplant as well as chars the skin so that it can be easily removed. As you can now see, our eggplants are completely charred from the outside. We're now going to peel off the skin and deseed the insides so that we can collect the flesh and the garlic cloves that we inserted in a different bowl. Now let's quickly prepare the rest of the veggies that go into the Baba Ganoush. We're going to start with finely chopping an onion and collecting it in a large bowl. Next comes a finely chopped tomato. Followed by finely chopped capsicum. Please note, we've used only half of a medium-sized capsicum here. Next in, 4 to 5 stalks of finely chopped parsley. If you don't have parsley, you can also make do with coriander. And now, before you thought we've forgotten, we're back to our main ingredient. What you need to do is finely mince the eggplant as well as the garlic cloves and add them to the bowl as well. And now, for the final leg of the dish, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the bowl of the veggies, followed by 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder or chili flakes. Next comes 1 tablespoon of grounded pomegranate seeds. And then finally, salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly and then serve the Baba Ganoush in a plate garnished with olives, olive oil and parsley, and serve it along with warm pita bread. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for our recipe of Mutabal, another Levantine dish made out of eggplants. So, subscribe to Spice Fry now to get the latest recipe updates.